So here's how to change banner in MLBB. First up, let's open up the Mobile Legends application on the phone. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, as you can see, we're now in the home page. Over here, you will get to see different game options. Tap on your profile on the top left corner. After that, you'll be taken to this page right over here. Now, tap on Settings on the top right corner and then select Avatar. Over here, you will get to see all the avatars that you can choose from. Select the one that you want. Then, all you need to do is tap on Confirm. And as you can see, the banner for your profile has been changed. This way, you can repeat the steps and change your banner to whichever one that you prefer. This way, you can try out different banners for your profile and choose the one that you want. And that is exactly how to change banner in MLBB.